Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of relationships, life, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone in a relationship has probably thought about at some point. How do you truly know how much your partner loves you? But here's the twist. Love isn't always about grand gestures or saying I love you every day. Sometimes, it's hidden in the small moments, the meaningful conversations, and yes, even in the questions we dare to ask. So, in this video, we'll reveal 3 powerful questions you can ask your partner to not only test their love but also deepen your connection like never before. Stay with me till the end because I promise you, these questions will change the way you look at your relationship forever. Ready? Let's get started. Why asking questions matters. Before we dive into the questions, let's talk about why asking the right questions is so important in a relationship. Think about it, relationships are built on communication, right? But it's not just about talking. It's about talking with purpose. The questions we ask can open doors to understanding, empathy, and growth. It's like shining a flashlight into the corners of your relationship that you didn't even know existed. Here's an example. I remember a friend of mine once asked their partner, "What do you think is my biggest strength in our relationship?" That simple question led to a heartwarming conversation about how much their partner appreciated their patience and kindness. It made them both feel seen and valued. And here's the thing, the right questions don't just give you answers. They reveal intentions, emotions, and sometimes, even the things left unsaid. That's why these 3 questions are so powerful. They're not just about testing love, they're about building it. 1. Cherished memories. Alright, here comes the first question. What are your favorite memories of us together so far? Now, this might seem like a simple, innocent question, but trust me, it's incredibly revealing. When you ask this, you're diving into your partner's mind to see what moments they truly value. Let me share a quick story. A couple I know decided to ask each other this question on their anniversary. The husband talked about a rainy day when they got drenched walking home because they forgot an umbrella. He said, "It wasn't about the rain, it was about how we laughed the whole way through." The wife, on the other hand, mentioned how much she cherished a quiet night cooking dinner together. These weren't extravagant events, they were everyday moments filled with love and connection. If your partner lights up talking about a spontaneous road trip, a quiet dinner date, or even a silly inside joke, it shows they cherish the little things just as much as the big moments. But here's the pro tip, don't just listen to the memory. Pay attention to the emotion behind it. Are they excited? Do they get nostalgic? This will give you a glimpse into what makes them feel most connected to you. And hey, don't forget to share your own favorite memories too. Relationships are a two-way street, and this is a beautiful way to walk down memory lane together. 2. Future vision. Now, let's move on to question number 2. How do you envision our future together? This one is a game changer. Why? Because it tells you whether you and your partner are aligned in your goals, dreams, and most importantly, your commitment to each other. When you ask this question, you're not just talking about marriage or kids. You're talking about the big picture. What kind of life do they see for both of you? Are they thinking about growing old together, traveling the world, or building a dream home? Here's an example to bring this to life. A couple once discussed their future over coffee. The husband said he dreamed of living in a cozy cabin in the mountains, while the wife admitted she always wanted to experience city life. At first, their visions seemed mismatched, but as they talked more, they realized they could balance both by traveling frequently while having a peaceful home base. That conversation not only brought them closer but also helped them plan a future they both loved. But here's the kicker, their answer doesn't have to be perfect or super specific. It's about the intention behind it. If they talk about a future with you in it, even in broad strokes, that's a strong sign of commitment. And if their vision doesn't align with yours, that's okay too. This is your chance to have an honest, open conversation about what you both want and how you can make it work together. 3. Love languages. Alright, we're down to the third and most transformative question. What can I do to make you feel more loved and appreciated? This question is pure magic, because it cuts straight to the heart of the matter, your partner's needs. And here's why it's so important. Everyone has a unique way of feeling loved. For some, it's words of affirmation. For others, it's acts of service, quality time, or even physical touch. Here's a touching example. A woman once asked her partner this question, and his response surprised her. He said, "I feel most loved when you join me in my hobbies, even if it's just for a little while." She started occasionally playing video games with him, something she never thought she'd enjoy, and it brought them closer than ever. When you ask this, you're not just showing that you care, you're proving that you're willing to grow and adapt to make your partner feel special. And let me tell you, the answers might surprise you. Maybe they'll say something as simple as, "I'd love it if you texted me good morning every day," or, It would mean the world if you supported me more during tough times. The beauty of this question is that it's not about fixing anything. It's about understanding each other better and finding ways to love each other more intentionally. Now, you might be wondering, how do I even bring up these questions without making it awkward? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, pick the right time and place. Maybe during a quiet dinner, a long drive, or even a cozy night in. The key is to create a comfortable, distraction-free environment. Second, frame the questions in a way that feels natural. Instead of saying, "I need to ask you these serious questions," you can say, "Hey, I saw this interesting video about relationships, and it made me curious. Can I ask you something fun?" And finally, don't rush it. Let the conversation flow naturally. The goal is not to interrogate but to connect. So, there you have it, 3 simple but incredibly powerful questions to ask your partner. Remember, love isn't just about big gestures or perfect moments. It's about the effort you put in every single day to understand, appreciate, and grow with each other. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. 1. Ask about their favorite memories to relive the good times. 2. Talk about the future to align your visions. 3. Discover how to make them feel more loved to deepen your bond. And here's the best part, these questions aren't just for testing love, they're for building it. So, go ahead, try them out, and watch how your relationship transforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship insights. And drop a comment below to let us know which question you're most excited to ask your partner. Remember, love grows where understanding flows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.